I am here at the filling station at Makati with Ate Nika. Hi Ate Nika, you're so cute! So let's go inside. This is what the place looks like. So first, we ordered their Super Kiss Strawberry Ice Cream. Sobrang laki nito and sobrang sarap niya. Siyempre, inuna na namin yung dessert at nabusog na kami dito pa lang. Then, we ordered their filling station Super Burger. I think pang 3 tao to kasi sobrang laki nito. And lastly, we ordered the 3 cheese lasagna. Hindi ko nalasahan yung 3 cheese pero sobrang lasang-lasa mo yung pesto. Ang laki din nito. Sarap. Yan, super busog na kami. And thank you for watching.